qurux badana. Sawka, sawka.
markan maalin kiilooga soo siiyey 50,000 ayaan idhi tomaad beeratid.
I can't even put down my cup of coffee. Masaf diwaka. So come masaf maha. Okay, masaf check. Water bottle check. Sunglasses check. We are having a farm day today. We also have our entire lunch packed. We got the tea. We got the lunch. We got the chamad. And lahah, my favorite. Okay, let's go do some work. You saying that's not a masaf oil? What a fail. It's the thing that Ethiopians put injera in, so it'll do though, right? Okay, we'll see. So I recently found out the name for hadin. It's windling, man. And you do it in the windy season. And it's very windy right now, so there's no problem with that. Windling today, huh? What a madhouse.
Today is a farm day, it's not a construction day.
Yeah.
So I get them out.
Okay. That's another day's project. This is gonna be the real Musaf, I think, but let's see. Aisha's heading. Windling natus. That's your job today?
Ah.
And the wind is gonna help you today. Oh, it's too hot to work. Here I go with my convalescent. I think we're gonna eat first. There's just no way. Where did my sunglasses go? Oh, this is too hot. Mom, are you sure about this?
Share what?
It's so hot.
Yes, it's so hot.
Actually, we will pray first. Then things will get easier. What's for lunch today, Mama? Nice.
Misr iyo rodi.
أنا لاحظت أن قلت some from this morning. It's so good when you have it with injera.
I give you a hot.
What's her job when we get up?
Sisinti baan haadinaynaa.
Oh yeah, sisinti aan maanta dhan ka hadlayay. We're gonna go do it soon.
Laakiin waa cadceed codta horta duhurka naga cadceed naga qabowga.
Somehow someone just asked us why we don't go into the house, like the little hut, and it never occurred to us to even go in there. We'd rather open our umbrella and stay with our car.
We just look at each other and say,
Never thought about that.
we shouldn't. With this heat, there's a house right here.
There is.
My goodness.
Okay, now I remember though. The chance of a mus. I mean, there could be snakes here too, but
here is an open field.
it's
You
open,
can see
yeah.
everything.
I think you know how many snakes that we found, so you know why we're out here. Someone just walked by and asked us, and we were like, I guess this is a little bit odd. All right, time to go to work. This is the house we were talking about. It's actually really clean. He tidies up very well, but we just have this cultural thing where we cannot enter male homes. I don't know what it is, but I can't do it. So off to work. Hey. Wow. So those are the seeds, and then we have to do a lot of work to clean this up. So you have to leave it again?
You have to leave it.
Okay. Now I need to set up my tripod and actually get to work. Yes, I do help my mom. I just also spend a lot of time vlogging for you guys. What do you see?
A lot of ants.
Oh, whoa, what are you? Out picking the field. And we are out here knocking all the seeds out. And then the second process of this is going to be using the windowing, like I told you guys this morning. We gotta do some windowing soon. It's a slight wind, so it's just perfect. It's just extremely hot. We had to do it at this hour because this is the only time where there's not like massive crazy wind. The only thing I'm worried about is that there's a lot of ants inside this. Yeah, those are definitely fire ants.
What is that?
I know, I don't know what happened. I think they can't handle the heat.
Heat totality.
That's hot. That's much better. Yeah, maanta dhan lahayd qori baa lagu garaaca. That's unreal. Okay, it's officially not a job for me. Come on. Wow.
We'll die.
Qurux badana. Sawka, sawka. Ka badan ma? Ah. I wanted to try, but Mom's like, don't. You're gonna lose more product than gain. Let our expert continue. Aha. Perfection.
Caleenta may bixi weydin. Waxaan yaray madow. Mise waa iyadii. Waxaan sisin karaa. Waa sisin ha. Soo kala baxayay.
Taas waa hee.
Wata aad u kala baxda. Watani markay ayana sida u qalashay saas noqon.
Okay, these are super dried. These are like roasted basically. Nice. There's also different bugs in here. It's not a big one. أدنى هاد ككبح. أنت الأفوف سامي. بيض عض بس صباحا. What's بيض عض? Okay, something very white and shiny. It's not for me, it's for our amazing windler. I'm just the umbrella holder. That's a lot, Mom. Ha. انت هذه نسها. ها ما شاء الله.
روحوا أنا عيلتي. بس أنا طول بمية للدركية.
واي.
هذا ما أنت معلم كبير بالمية. ما يشرين الدناها. ما كان معلوم كيلو بسوسي. كم تنكون؟ أيه نيرو تومات بيرتي.
The view here. Look at that. That's our goat feed for the season. It's not much, but it's enough. Huh, wow, I missed it. Yes, I want to see this. We were only gone a few days, Mom. Into Yara Rock. Oh, no way. Hold on. Wow, we got carrots. Amazing. I'm gonna go get some lettuce too. This is so cool. We got 3 carrots. I'm going in for 1 salad now. I want 1 lettuce head. I know they're babies, but look at this. These are the small moments that just make you so happy. Hey, salad lettuce? Yeah, why not? Hey, kasas dube.
So حبات بان كجرانay nay. حبات waxba noqonay. Ha, حبات waxba noqonayso. حبadaas aan ka jaran.
Yay. Hi. Okay. So nice.
Bacda cad. Ra markuu yimaadana ka daboolaya.
Get to the car. There we go.